How to convert dictionary to list in Python. The way to do it differs depending on what you want to do. First, we'll need a dictionary, so D equals a dictionary with A mapped to 1 and B mapped to 2. First, let's assume we're converting the whole thing to a list. So L equals list constructor of D.items. If we print L and run the code, you'll see L is a list of tuples containing each key value pair. Next, let's assume you just want the keys. To do that, we would change D.items to D.keys. Last, let's assume you just want the values. To do that, we would change D.keys to D.values. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.